Hey, what's up? This is Matt from Go Therax. Today we're going to be working on a move that comes from yoga called downward dog. Now, this is an extremely challenging movement for me because I have really tight hamstrings due to a neurological condition that came out of my back, and so therefore you're going to see that my knees are going to be bent in this movement. When you do it yourself, you want to try to straighten the knees as much as possible while maintaining that flat back extending through the shoulders, as you'll see. So as I go into it, just as a caveat, you want to keep your knees straighter than mine if you're able, but that's about as straight as I'm able to do it. All right, so here's how it goes. We're going to start in this position, hands and knees. I'm going to then put my feet down, pushing my heels down behind, pushing my hips up into the air, sliding myself back. And again, you notice the knees are bent because the hamstrings are tight, but we're elongating through the back, and then we come back up. Elongate through the back, pushing those shoulders in, and come back up. Stretching through those hamstrings, pushing those shoulders forward, keeping the back straight and the hips high, and then coming back. And that is my best interpretation of downward dog. Thanks.